Don't be like a wooden bird, held eternally. The sky awaits you, vast and deep and bright, a boundless ocean flooded with the light. So shake off the splinters, the stillness of the wood, free from the silence misunderstood. See the swift swallow the falcon in its flight. You too have the fire to claim the day and night. Fly like real birds, with passion and with grace. Feel the sharp current rush upon your face. To leave the false haven gleam, the comfort of the perch. To taste the horizon, to join the cosmic surge. Fly, voice and stars, earnless spirits make the firm true stride. Choose right, my spirit, and let your wings